Our new master's program in sustainability studies is really the culmination of a development of RAMPO that began in the early days of the college when we established programs in both environmental studies and environmental sciences. And it's now the case that really the entire world is caught up as sustainability practice has become such an issue, not just for agriculture, but indeed for business and for all aspects of daily living. We're very excited because given the depth that we have already in the fields of environmental studies and environmental sciences, we believe that what will normally be a 2-year program may for many of our students be only a 5-year program where they get both the bachelor's degree and the master's degree.
What we're hoping to turn out at the end of the day is folks that can do sustainability on a practical basis. So the summer experience is a way of getting their foot in and understanding how people that are doing sustainability go about their business and try to get a feel for that. The second year then is focused almost completely on their final capstone project, which would be an analysis, a design, the equivalent of a thesis but not quite, where they would take a project and they would look at it in detail. So the second year, the first semester would be focused on a design studio where they would take an existing project somewhere in the region and they would do an analysis hands-on to give them a feel for what an analysis looks like. At the same time, they would be doing project development as the second course in the second year, first semester. And in that, they would begin to flesh out what their project might look like. And then in the second semester of the second year, they would do their project itself, would be one course. And one course would be a sort of a practitioner lecture series where we would bring in experts from various domains of sustainability and bring them in to come in for 2-week modules, do lectures, work with students one-on-one, show them how their project can take shape, give them sort of some kind of feel for what would be expected professionally if they were doing this in the real world. We're assuming that we're going to get 2 kinds of folks coming into the program. There will be people that are mid-career, in a sense, that have been working in some field that is either interested in sustainability or related to sustainability. And they're interested either in credentials or in beefing up their knowledge about sustainability. And the second cohort will be folks that are coming fresh out of undergrad programs and that are interested very strongly in moving into the field of sustainability practice. So those are the 2 kinds of students that we would expect to have coming in. Sustainability is a really diverse field, and really the sky's the limit. You could come in with almost any background, and you could go out and work with almost any aspect of sustainability that you're interested in. So it's wide open.
It's going to be a cutting-edge graduate program, and of course we have relatively few of those as an undergraduate college. So it gives the opportunity to undergraduate students to think about doing a further degree here. But I think more to the point, it makes us a focus for sustainability studies. As you know, the NJHEPS organization, the Higher Education Partnership for Sustainability, is now headquartered here. And I think you're going to see a great deal more focus on sustainability studies as a result of the master's program.
We are one of the largest manufacturers of solar energy. We've been in energy, sustainable energy, for a long time. So one of our biggest product line, which is in the same building's roof, is a Sharp Solar. So energy conservation and energy renewal has been a fundamental foundation of our company. And given that, when Dr. Mercer and of course Kathy approached me that they would like to create a center for a purpose of education of sustainability, I said absolutely. There was not even a question that we would support it.